Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will tell you about the incentives and the different kinds of incentives. This is because long-term profitability requires firm to create value in continuously meeting market need. Value creation arises partially from the business achieving excellence in their normal operation. It is also created when companies innovate by identifying new customers and market, as well as emerging needs of existence and future customer using it critical talent. Sometimes firms even diversify their workforce to more closely reflect to an increasingly diverse customer bases. However, an increasingly sophisticated and economically diverse workforce that is very well informed about their career option has become less loyal to employ. The growing importance of people in corporate success, coupled with an increasingly diverse and more mobile workforce, make talent management the types of incentives are like the types of incentives will be outlined of this following chapter. Incentive will be defined as a award given out when predetermined objective have been attained with an organization. When an employee perform exceed as a predetermined target, they tend to be granted a form of incentive payouts. This payout can be one-off payment, a bonus, it take the form of an addition to base pay which that remain until the next decision periods. Bonus is the future then become and future performance where addition to base pay become part of landscape once it is granted being independent of the future performance. Sometimes opportunities for career progression are seen as an incentive devices because they ultimately entail financial reward and in a lot of cases involve opportunity for growth and development. The following section discuss some of the commonest classification of employee incentives. Individual there are some kind of incentives like short term, long term, individual, group incentives, and financial, non financial incentives. Now I will tell you about different kind of incentives like individual versus group incentive. In 1992, the scientists Milgram and Robert have identified individual as well as group incentives. Example of the former include stock option and the commission. Individual incentive could be include hard work and discourage mediocre employees from the joining of the organization. The employee must be capable to attaining the desired level of performance. The employee must consider the reward valuable and high dependent on the performance. The later condition create a line of sight between performance and reward line of the sight. Describe the employee ability to see how effort translate to higher performance and utility greater reward. For example, group incentive include profit sharing plans, employee stocks, ownership plan, and gain sharing plans. Team group incentive could be introduced a sense of collective responsibility within the firm with the aim of the achieving superior performance through team effort. The reason is that organization change the emphasis teamwork among people who previously worked largely individual will lead to the higher performance only in cooperation and the rewards. And now second one is the short term and long term incentive. Short term incentive include annual bonus and commission based on the preceding period. Performance incentive can be also a deferred on the long term in the sense of the benefits are not realized until after some time period has escalated. For example, contribution to pension fund for company executives and non-vested option awarded to employer in case of the latter. The employee must stay with the company for the specified period in order to the best the option. The employee loses the option if they quit the company earlier. The usual argument is that such as non-vested option encourage employee retention. The issue of worker retention will be explored in another section. The third one is the financial versus non-financial incentives. The example financial incentives are, however, there are also non-monetary incentives that do not always involve actual cash awards. For examples, non-monetary incentives include the company car, recognition opportunities for training development. The next section, the further I will tell you about the taxes subsidies. So this is all about the tax incentives and different types of incentives. Thank you.